most guitar players always hesitate when they go to change between chords. What happens is their fingers can't quite change in time. Now, most people don't know this, but there is a difference between learning and practicing. Learning comes about when we're trying to install knowledge for the first time or retain knowledge in our long-term memory. It's a different kind of practice to trying to improve what we're doing and make it better. So you need to memorize the chord and have your fingers instantly go to the shapes that they need to make and have each finger go to the right position in order for you to be able to change in time. But if you learn and practice your chords this way, I guarantee you will make rapid progress and be strumming along to your favorite songs in no time at all. So let's get into exercise number 1, finger push-ups. And what's basically going to happen is we're going to take a chord progression. Let's say it's C, G, A minor, F, and we're going to pick out the first 2 chords in isolation, the C chord and the G chord. What I'm going to do is put my fingers in the right shape that I need for the C major chord. I'm going to make sure my thumb is low and my fingers are curved, and I'm literally just going to squeeze and relax. Squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax. What I am doing is priming my fingers to remember the muscle memory of that shape. Squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax. There is no strumming. 100% of my attention and my focus is going on making that shape. Relax. C major, squeeze, relax. C major, squeeze, relax. That should take me anywhere between 10 to 20 seconds to do, and then I will swap to the second chord, the G chord. So I get my fingers in the right position and I squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax. I'm not lifting my fingers up and down and having to put them back down after every time, and I squeeze it and I relax it. And that is training my fingers to remember that shape. Our second exercise is strum, mute, lift. Once again, I make the C major chord, and what I am going to do this time is strum it, mute it. I'm going to lift my fingers up 1 centimeter and put them back down. Strum it, mute it, lift it, back down. Strum it, mute it, lift it, back down. Strum it, mute it, lift it, back down. This is the best way to practice. If you play that entire progression, C, and then you swap G, and then A minor, and then everyone's favorite chord, the F chord, that might take you anywhere between 15 to 20, maybe even 30 seconds